Good day, my lovely students. First, I want to tell you that I really miss you, and your school and all your teachers are missing you. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting lesson from Unit 5, Lesson 3, Animate My Shape. Outcomes. In the end of this lesson, you will be able to do the following: animating your shape. Watch it moving with Animate. You can move the shapes and watch them while they are moving. Reda was asking, how to watch my shapes moving? There is a specific syntax or code for animating the shape. Shapes.animate, shape name, X, Y, and duration. Shape name should be defined before. X and Y is the new location. Duration is the time of the animation in milliseconds. Let's have an example. Check out this example and try it out. This example is on page number 80. Rec is the name of the shape, which is a rectangle. Equal shapes dot add rectangle, and we specify the width and the height, 200 and 100. Shapes dot animate is the code for animating the shape. We open a bracket and we write rec, which is the name of the shape, then X and Y, which is the ending location where the shape is going to move. The first 200 is X and the second is Y. 5000 is the duration. Let's practice on small basic. First, we will name the shape shapes dot add rectangle. Then we specify the width and the height. The width is 200 and the height is 100. Now write the code for animating this shape. Shapes dot animate. Then we open a bracket and we call the shape that we want to move and specify the X and Y where we want to move the shape. Then we write down the duration in milliseconds. Watch the shape animating. Let's have more practice. Use the following information to add a shape and animate it. We will draw a shape. Our shape type is circle, and we will give it a name, C1. Shape color, red. Shape size, width is 100 and height is 100. And remember here that the width equal the height because the shape is circle. Shape location, x0 and y0. I want you to remember that by default, when you draw the shape, it will come in this location. Animate shape to location x200 and y180. This location is the ending location where I want to animate the shape. Duration is specifying the speed, and we have 2500 milliseconds. Remember, syntax to color a shape. Graphics window dot brush color equal shape color. Syntax to draw a shape. Shapes dot add rectangle with specifying the width and height if we want to draw a square or a rectangle. If we want to draw a circle or oval, we will use shapes dot add ellipse with specifying the width and height. Syntax for animating a shape: shapes.animate, open bracket, shape name, x and y, and duration. Now let's practice the exercise. First, we have to remember that we have to specify the color of the shape before drawing. So we will use graphics window dot brush color and we write red color. Now we will draw the shape. Our shape is circle, so we will use the code shapes.addEllipse and we specify the width and height. Width is 100 and height is 100. Okay, now we want to animate the shape. So we have to remember that we need to give a name for this shape. Go back to the previous line and specify a name for the shape. The name of the shape will be C1. Let's run the code to see what happened. Do I need to move the shape? Actually, no, because in this location, the x will be 0 and the y will be 0. Now I want to animate the shape. I will type the code for animating the shape. Shapes.animate. Then I will call the shape that I have C1. Ending location x is 200 and y is 180. Now I have to specify the duration 2500. Run the code. If you can do this exercise alone, you will be great. I wish you would practice at home. Remember our codes and thanks for watching.